The best practice here is you want to open a separate bank account for your self-employment. So it doesn't actually technically need to be a business bank account according to your bank's rules. What it needs to be is separate. And what you need to have in there is only business stuff. So you want to put your income that comes into you from that self-employed work into that bank account. And you want to make your expenses out of that bank account. Okay. And when you do that, what you end up creating is a paper trail. Okay, so you end up creating bank statements which show the flow of money into and out of that bank account, right? That, my friends, is how you do your bookkeeping. You look at the bank statement because that bank statement, so long as you keep the rule really crystal clear in your own mind, I only spent, my business expenses I spend out of this account, right? So long as you make that your rule and also you deposit all your business income into that account, that bank statement is going to be the full and complete record of money into and out of your bank account. And that's how you do your bookkeeping.